We are back with our good friend Rick Crosslin, the science guy, here to talk all about sound.
Yeah. So I love music. I heard you guys talking about music earlier. You know, I like the old bands, but I like all music. But I want to separate. This is sound energy, not music.
Gotcha.
So what I try to share my love for science with people is that sound really it's a type of energy, just like light energy or heat energy or electromagnetic energy. So things get transferred, and sound is a lot of fun. And really, basically, I want you to know, if you can get something to vibrate, it can make a noise. And so that's the one thing. The other thing is big things make low sounds. Okay? Yeah. I can't say this, but small. I can't even say it. Small make high sound. There you go. So we're halfway there. So, but then in science, I like to see if that's true. I like to prove that. Do big things make low sounds? And so here are two little carved frogs from the Amazon, and this one you can give a thumbs up how you think it'll sound. And it's larger. This one is a higher frequency. So big sound, little sound, or even like something like this, two different sizes. These are called boom whackers. So go ahead and whack that on, right up here maybe. And now this one, smaller, higher. One more time.
Okay.
So we're trying to prove that that is true. And so this is a very sophisticated science instrument. I took a garden hose, cut some pieces off, and so you can predict this long thing. If we get it to vibrate, that column of air, so the shorter, the higher frequency.
Yeah, okay.
And those are what we're trying to show different ways. This one's kind of fun. This one, this is a spring, and so when something vibrates, hold that real tight, one end of it, and we'll just do a shorter version. You got it tight? And so if I can get it vibrating, that's a low sound, a lower frequency. We call that a hertz. But if I do it faster, now you can see the nodes, the troughs, and maybe you've seen this on a movie where they're on the
I've seen it when I use voice notes on my phone.
On voice notes, that's exactly right. And so bigger is lower, bigger frequency. So I like to try to prove that, even in something like this. And so if you look at the column of air, let's predict. This is a big column of air. That's a shorter. So what do you think the sound will be?
This is going to be lower, and that's going to be higher?
Excellent. Big things make low sounds. And it's the only difference. So everything you see here, you can kind of make at home or have fun with. This is one of my favorite. These are called palm pipes. You take the green one, we'll try it. All right, I'll do it, then you do the same thing. A little fast, sorry. So you can really do these at home, have a lot of fun with it.
This reminds me of when you don't have any more shampoo and you
exactly.
And it makes that sound.
You're seeing science all around you. One of my favorite things to do is take a bowl, cut a balloon, and put a balloon over it. This some more sophisticated science equipment, some chopsticks, and so. But you can get it to vibrate. And it's just having fun with vibration.
Make your own little sound.
I actually saw a guy on the streets of San Francisco, and I paid $20 for a CD on balloon drumming. It may be the only time he ever sold.
Man, I don't want to say you got hustled.
Yeah, maybe. So this is my science chicken. And so if we get something to vibrate, and we can amplify the sound. So I have a wet sponge here, and if I do this, maybe I could get you to cluck. We will get Cody maybe to help us with this. Right?
Okay.
It's kind of fun. It's I got a shoestring here, and you can try it. You just squeeze on there and pull down, and you can. That's kind of a sick chicken, but it still is a chicken.
Yeah, it's not that well.
So you're starting to get the idea.
Yeah.
And, so even when I was a kid, I used to get in trouble in school by doing this, and Maddie, you probably have done this too. It's like.
Oh yeah, I did.
And you can tell the long ones
Create a different sound.
Yeah, take a different sound. That's a fun thing to do. Drives people crazy. One of my favorite ones, though, we can get this to vibrate, right? Like this. Now, if you can touch it, it'll stop stops vibrating. One more time. But what I like to do is this, and all I'm doing is now slipping this.
Oh.
And it's vibrating and causing it to resonate.
Because you're creating energy to create the waves, even though you're not dinging it.
Even though I'm not percussion, I am rubbing
there we
it.
go.
Just an energy. This mechanical energy is transforming to sound energy. And if you touch it, it stops. So you can actually see, you probably have seen this when Ben Franklin made an instrument called the harmonica, where he would.
Well, Miss Congeniality made that her talent in the movie.
There you go.
I know it.
Talent's talent. And all it takes is a non-slippery finger. But my favorite one to do is we've heard sound, we can feel sound, maybe we can see sound. You think we get Cody to help us on this one?
Cody, can you come in for a second?
So these are tuning forks, and Cody, this is very important. We want to confirm this.
Yeah.
So if you can see the sound, so hold this up close to your face, closer. And I'm going to see if you can see the sound, right?
Okay, all right.
We're good on this one, right?
Okay,
Here,
yep.
here we go. Tuning fork, a little bit closer. There we go. Did we see the sound?
We saw it.
You want to try it again?
Wait, I tried to set Cody up and it got me too.
Very well.
Yeah.
For that, Rick.
Am I coming back?
Thanks.
It's been a pleasure having you.
Thanks, Cody.
Cody, here you go.
Environment.
There you go.
So as you imagine, that's a big hit with most kids, as long as you're not the one seeing the sound.
Myself in that, a complete moron.
So sound energy, it's a lot of fun.
That
If
is
you
a
can
lot
get
of
it to
fun.
vibrate, you can get it to make sound.
Rick, everything you do is great. This is awesome. You're going to be doing more of this at the CSI event. We have that. All the information is going to be on the QR code right there for Lifestyle Live. I'm going to send it over to Cody. I don't know what he's doing now. He's probably mad at me.